Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Probably Fixed It. This is a two-stroke Tuesday. On this episode, we're going to do this one. It's going to be a pretty quick one. It's actually about 6:30 Monday night, and I want to get this video out for you guys tomorrow. I got a little hung up working on that old Montgomery Ward thing. I didn't quite get it finished and got to order some parts and whatnot. So I wanted to go ahead and get something out. This is an Echo SRM 266, and I don't know if you can see in here or not. It's going to be a pretty quick one. What we have here is that primer bulb is cracked. So we're going to go ahead and just, I call it a primer bulb. I think it's actually technically a purge valve or a purge bulb, but we're going to replace that. And this is just something, if you find yourself in this situation, which is what I did. Luckily I was able to get this thing started this weekend by just kind of keeping my fingers over those and getting it to start. And this one starts pretty good already. Anyhow, I want to change that out. But if you find yourself in this situation on a weekend, it's a quick, easy fix. You can run to Walmart, O'Reilly's. A lot of places will have Lowe's, Home Depot. You can get these bulbs. I happen to have a kit because I do this all the time. I got them from Amazon. I'll leave a link to this kit. And we're going to just go ahead and get right into removing this bulb so we can get this weed eater up and running again. So let's just get started. First thing we're going to do is remove this air cleaner. I could probably use a replacement too, but get this removed. It's got two Phillips screwdrivers, two Phillips bits. We're going to go ahead and take the opportunity to clean this carburetor up a little bit. We're not going to do a cleaning on it. We're going to hit it with the carb cleaner and just blow some of that out. I've got a couple cans that are almost empty. It doesn't have any pressure. Try not to drop them on the ground. Like I just did. Now you can see how that sits in there. Lucky me, I found it real quick. All right, we're just going to pull this bulb out. This little kit comes with several different sizes. See these different sizes here? They come in several different sizes. So when you go buy one, make sure you take this one out first and take it to the store and get one that's the same size. So I'm just going to put that in there like so. This part, see how it's got that step on it? That step's going to go towards the fuel lines, and just like that. And this thing right here is going to sit in that little seat right there in that little plastic piece. Start these by hand. I usually like to start them kind of diagonally from each other. Tighten these up. I'm gonna snug down this one here and then snug down the one on the opposite corner. I'm not tightening them all the way, just kind of getting them a little bit snug. Then I'm gonna just pick whatever one, it doesn't matter now at this point. Now I'm gonna go back and give them a good little twist. That should be pretty good. Before I actually put this all back together, I'm gonna pump this bulb and make sure everything flows through there. It's gonna take a little bit because there's, it's empty. And I don't even know if I have fuel in it, to be honest with you. Let me check. I don't even have gas in this thing, so it will never fill up. All right, I just added some gas. Probably more than I needed to, but give this thing a couple pumps. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's fuel going through there, so we're good. That's good to go. All right. I'd go ahead and replace this if you had one. I didn't have one, so I cleaned mine up. Make sure your gasket's on the back of this. Stick your carburetor, stick these posts right back through your carburetor. That actually doesn't need to go in there yet. Gasket's still there. Get your Phillips screwdriver out. Tighten these up. A little bit on each side. Got that one snug. Snug this other one down. Got them both snug, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one a little bit more. Get a little extra on it. Get that one a little extra. Throw my filter back on, which you can go ahead and replace that filter if you'd like. This filter goes this way. With that raised area going up, it kind of go. You can go like that if you wanted to, but I like to do it this way. Make sure you put this on the right direction. This right here is going to go where your choke lever is. Just flip this over here. All right, give it a couple pumps. Put it on choke. Heard it pop a little bit, go half choke. Let this thing warm up a little bit. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching another episode of Probably Fix It on a Two-Stroke Tuesday. This is a pretty quick one. Hopefully it'll help somebody out if they have a primer bulb that just busted right and they're trying to get out and cut their grass and they need a quick tutorial on how to do it. It's pretty simple. You can run to your Lowe's, Home Depot, probably Walmart, O'Reilly's, pick up these bulbs. So they need to replace it real quick and needed a quick tutorial on how to do it. It's real easy. You can do it. Shouldn't take you more than about 5 or 10 minutes. Just pay attention to how you take it off. And if not, just keep watching this video over and over again and you'll figure it out. This thing will start right back up for you and you'll be good to go. And you can pick these up at, these bulbs up at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart probably, maybe even O'Reilly's. This is for an SRM 266, and this process is pretty similar to almost all two-stroke engines, to be honest with you. Weed eaters, blowers, and the such. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and if so, like and subscribe, and I'll have more Two-Stroke Tuesdays, Mower Mondays, and some other random stuff that comes up. Looking forward to get some boat stuff going on too. Thank you, guys. Let me put a little fuel in here real quick.